The action camera market has seen significant growth in recent years, with GoPro maintaining its position as the industry leader. As the company prepares to launch its highly anticipated Hero 13 Black, excitement is building around potential improvements and upgrades that could further solidify GoPro's market position. While some enthusiasts hope for higher resolutions up to 8K, it's more likely that GoPro will focus on refining existing features and addressing long-standing issues. One of the most anticipated upgrades is the possible introduction of the GP3 processor, succeeding the GP2 chip used in the past 3 generations. This new processor could significantly boost overall performance and potentially resolve overheating problems that have plagued some GoPro models. Software optimization is a crucial area where users expect improvements. The current GoPro app has faced criticism for frequent crashes and freezes, especially during critical shooting moments. Enhancing the app's stability and functionality could significantly improve the user experience, bringing it in line with competitors who have prioritized app-based features. Overheating has been a persistent issue for GoPro cameras, often limiting shooting times compared to rival devices. The introduction of a new processor combined with improved heat sink design could potentially address this problem, allowing for extended recording sessions without interruption. This improvement would be particularly welcome for users who require longer shooting times for their projects. One of the most exciting rumored features is HyperSmooth 7.0, an upgraded version of GoPro's renowned image stabilization technology. This enhancement promises even more stable and shake-free footage, building on a key strength that has set GoPro apart from its competitors. The ability to capture ultra-smooth videos in challenging conditions has been a hallmark of GoPro devices, and further improvements in this area could help maintain the brand's edge. The potential inclusion of a more powerful processor in the Hero 13 Black could pave the way for additional enhancements. For instance, it might allow GoPro to incorporate a larger sensor, which could significantly improve low-light performance. This upgrade would address one of the few areas where some competitors have managed to outperform GoPro in recent years. As for the launch date, GoPro has traditionally unveiled its new models in September. Speculation points to September 11th as a potential release date for the Hero 13 Black, though this remains unconfirmed. The success of the Hero 13 Black could have significant implications for the action camera market as a whole. If GoPro manages to address key issues like overheating and app stability, while introducing innovative new features, it could force competitors to step up their game, ultimately benefiting consumers with better products across the board. As the release date approaches, excitement continues to build among tech enthusiasts and action sports aficionados. The key question on everyone's mind is whether the Hero 13 Black will live up to expectations and successfully fend off growing competition from rivals like the DJI Osmo Action.